Hi y'all, what's up? Twisted Cooking Lady here, also known as Twisted Art Lady, and my name is Samantha. So, today we're making a pineapple serrano salsa. It is absolutely delicious and I hope you try it. So let's go on ahead and go inside and give this a shot. It is a sweet and spicy salsa. And I do not suggest that you tone the spice down because it balances the sweetness really well. So, here we go. Here we are inside, you guys. So, first things first, you're going to need a 20-ounce can of whatever brand of crushed pineapple you would like to use. Put that in your saucepan. And then I use a 6-ounce can of pineapple juice. If you don't have it, can't find it, or don't want to spend the money on the juice, you don't have to. You can use water. But this just adds more pineapple flavor to it, and I do suggest it, but it's okay to use water too. I have before, plenty of times. Next, you're going to go in with about a heaping half cup of white onion diced up, like so. I'm going to set this aside because I am adding a little bit of water. And that was about a tablespoon, sorry for the banging, that was about a tablespoon of minced garlic, and I do not suggest you use the garlic in the jar because it has been pre-cooked and you lose some of the flavor. I am all about cutting corners in the kitchen, but that is a corner that I don't suggest that you ever cut. Use fresh garlic, you guys, because flavor. Never cut a corner if you're cutting flavor. Don't do it. The next thing we're going to do is about 2 tablespoons of regular white sugar. And you can adjust that to your taste. You can leave it out, but I think it needs it. So, let's get some water in here. And I just use a half cup of water. One more thing. I go in with about a teaspoon of salt. And now we can set this on the burner, bring it to a boil, and then after it comes to a boil, I will be back to show you how I finish it up. This is a very, very, very simple salsa to make, and I definitely... Oh, you know what I forgot? I'm silly, you guys. Serrano peppers, you guys. This is pineapple serrano salsa. I thought I had all my prep done, and I did not. So for this, I cut the ends off. Just the big end, the stem end. And then I'll cut these into kind of thick chunks like this. Because I am going to blend these up with an immersible blender. And I just want them to be small enough to go under the head of my immersible blender. I do not take the seeds out. This is extremely simple to make. That easy. So, I'll show you. This is, like I said, this is going to come to a boil. And then after it comes to a boil, I'm going to simmer for 10 minutes. And then I will show you how I finish this up. We'll be right back. We are back. It has simmered. And everything is nice and soft. So now all I need to do is use the immersible blender and get this kind of blended up. And then we're going to add the cilantro. Alright, so now I'm going to add the cilantro. I'm going to add that much and see how it looks. This is rinsed cilantro. And of course, if you don't like cilantro, you can leave it out. But if you don't like cilantro, I don't know. That looks good. Now I like to tap off my blender and make sure all that other stuff gets down in there. And just for ease of cleaning, I like to give this a nice rinse immediately while it's still, you know, wet from being used. And I will come back and give this a taste test for you. Tortilla chip. Going in for the bite. Absolutely delicious. My son and I love this stuff. We are completely addicted. Another use for this salsa, it's absolutely delicious on any kind of a fish taco, like a salmon taco, cod, tilapia, whatever it is. For some reason, this is absolutely delicious with fishy tacos. So you guys, thank you so much for watching. Please do make this, and I will be coming back soon with more of my salsas. I make a few different kinds of salsas, so do keep your heads up for that. And we will see you soon. Thank you so much for watching. All the love in the world. Goodbye, you guys.